This is from Hunter Mountain Resort, upstate New York. Wonderful beauty and flowing of the small river. You can hear the stream how beautifully giving a musical sound. Wonderful, and this reminds me of the one poem that I still remember. That is আমাদের ছোট নদী চলে বাঁকে বাঁকে বৈশাখ মাসে তার হাঁটু জল থাকে পার হয়ে যায় গরু পার হয়ে গাড়ি দুই ধার উঁচুতার ঢালুতার পাড়ি. So wonderful, and I think I remember only in childhood days I enjoyed the bath in river, and this is a very pure natures and all greenery all around, chirping of birds. Wonderful, wonderful, and serene, calm and quiet environment. These are all Yarbin. This is from the outside, it seems in a very dilapidated condition, but inside it is all well furnished, well with all appliances, with all comforts. Wonderful, wonderful, and we are enjoying our stay.